Hi, I'm Elizabeth Thiel. So I'm doing the COVID alternative. So I'm going to be showing the exercises on my own. The only thing is I did get ankle surgery February 11th, so my squatting is not as low as it should be. And then also I'm going to have a little bit of trouble showing the walking lunge, but I'm going to do my best. So when I'm getting ready for the squat, I'm just going to move the camera so you can see me here. So I want my feet, I'm going to move a little bit more, about shoulder width apart, and you want your feet about 30 inches or 30 degrees. And then you want your hips and shoulders to go down at the exact same time. And then you just want to make sure that your hips get below your knees and keep your core and your back in line. So I'm going to go ahead and squat. Come back up. So if you saw, my knees kind of came in just because from my ankle surgery, so I'm just doing my best. So I'll do one more. And then I'll go from the side. So again, make sure about shoulder width apart, feet out a little bit. Then you want your hips and your shoulders to go at the same time. And squat, come back up, squat, and come back up. Okay, and then when we're doing the walking lunge, so you want to make sure you're in a 90-degree angle. Then you want your feet pointed forward, so not to the side or the other side. Sorry, you can't see my face, but I just want to make sure you can see my legs. And you want to keep them moving in a straight line, so when you're squatting, you don't want your legs to come in or out. So I'm going to hold on just for my ankle surgery. So I'm just going to, and then we would walk. So it's harder for me to walk when I do it, but I'll back up and do it again. So everything's in 90 degrees, feet pointing forward. And then if I go from the side as well, so I'll just have to be, I don't have much room, so squat, lunging, and lunging. And then you want to keep your body forward as well. And then the last one is the deadlift. So with the deadlift, you want to make sure that you keep the bar close to your body. And then your body's going to be in a perpendicular path. And you want to do knee extension and then hip extension, And then your elbows need to be extended and not flexed. And you want a neutral spine the whole time. So I do not have a barbell here at my house, but I do have a dumbbell, so I'm going to use that. And then I'll show you forward, and then I'll show you to the side. So feet about shoulder width apart. Then I'm going to pretend like this is my barbell, so I won't start from the ground just because it's not, that wouldn't be the starting point for it. So I want to keep it as close as I can, flat back. And then I'm going to go knee extension, hip extension, come up, and back down, neutral spine the whole time. Up and back down. And then if I'm from the side, so my back is very neutral and not rounded or curved. It's very straight. Back up. Back up. And those are my 3 exercises. Thank you for watching.